Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in YouTube Studio because that's the only built-in view of who subscribed. You sign in, open Dashboard, and look at the recent subscribers card. You need to know why. YouTube only shows subscribers who set subscriptions to public and who subscribed recently. Once done, make sure you're using the channel account and not a brand account or alternate login, because that changes visible subscriber data and can hide the recent subscribers card entirely. Next, you click See All in Recent Subscribers and apply filters for the time window you want. Choose 7, 28, 90 days or all time. You'll see each subscriber's display name, channel link, and the date they subscribed. Once done, you can sort by newest or oldest and export or copy names manually. Understand why. Export isn't a native CSV. You capture visible entries or use manual notes because privacy settings prevent a full. Finally, you confirm identities by opening channel links shown and cross-checking profile info or comments when necessary. Make sure to understand why some followers won't appear. Many users set subscriptions to private or YouTube delays showing new subscribers. If you don't see expected names, clear cache, sign out and sign in again, or wait 48 hours to allow YouTube sync. If problems persist, verify you have channel owner permissions and try a different browser to rule out local issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.